Hey, today I'm using my new Genmitsu Kiosk unit here that I was sent by SaneSmart, and I am working on a laser engraved slate coaster that I will be making a set of 4 of and selling at a craft show coming up here soon. But I'm going to go ahead and make this a time lapse because this is a fairly slow process. It is cutting into stone. But I'll do a time lapse so you can see it, and we will take a look at the results at the end. Okay, all done. Let's go ahead and take a look. That is a very nice engraving. That is beautiful. Look at that. Well worth the wait. I definitely recommend picking up one of these Genmitsu Kiosk units because, like you saw, it's pretty easy to use. It's portable, and it has the safety plexiglass on it. It is nice, and I am very happy with this. If you would like to pick up one of these units for yourself, you can do that through the product links in this video description. If you have any questions on it or want me to explain how I used it or anything like that, just leave a comment and I'll be happy to get back with you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.